Good morning everyone, welcome back. Today is the day that we install the Maximworks 421 exhaust manifold into the MX-5. I've also got the decap for it. I'm trying to work out again what bat box to put on it because it's just going to be the standard one for now. I'm kind of looking at the Malayan, that one. But people are saying it's too loud, but I like the look of the jack can, so I might do that and then put a silencer in or something, because the car will be tracked, so it needs to be under that 105 decibel limit. But we'll see, whatever happens, you know, I might get it and then put a silencer in it. We'll just see. Alright, so you can see air filter's gone. What we're going to do is pop off these bolts here, going to give them a good soak of WD, and then make our way down there to here. Undo the O2 sensor, get that up out of the way. We are going to have to extend that, but I will get that done as I do it. And then we'll go underneath, unbolt and de-spray everything with some WD, and we'll get this removed and we'll come back. The heat shield is out. So what we're going to do is undo all of these from the manifold. Makes sense, I suppose. And then, well, actually we'll remove the O2 sensor first and unbolt it from that way. So that's just out of the way. Makes things a bit easier. Alright, so the bits you've just watched didn't really go to plan. But basically, cat is no more. And we're now basically ready to take the manifold off. I'm going to undo these slowly and should be able to take the whole exhaust out, so let's get that done. Rotate it around, okay?
Okay. Hey? We'll have to jack up the front. Give you a bit more room. Let's catch it.
Pull it up towards, that's it. Through?
Yeah.
Woo! Success. Next thing, grab your manifold gasket. So this will go like under there. And we'll make sure we get good fitment on that. All of these will get torqued down properly once it's all ready to go. What I am going to need though is a little helper just to give us a hand. Popping the exhaust in. So let me grab the old man. And what we'll do is we'll slide the exhaust in, hook it over these. It should sit up, line up, and we should be laughing. We're all done basically. No, it's not that easy. To be fair, the next step actually, thinking about it, might be extending this bad boy. So it's an O2 sensor. It needs to sit a lot lower than that currently does. So I might have to take it off that clip. So you see that little clip there? And come up like that. I don't really know how to get to that. What we're going to do is strip and extend that wire. So So just to give you an idea of how far it needs to be extended, this is where the pipe goes in originally, the O2 sensor, and this is where it goes in on this one. So we're gonna cut in the middle and then run the pipe right the way down. Hopefully, it should work. Alright, so the O2 sensor is now ready to go. It's extended, it should be long enough, I fucking hope so. Oh, I really hope so. I hope it's long enough. I'm just gonna grab the old man now, just to give us a hand to drop the manifold in without scraping the crap out of it on the bottom. Here goes nothing.
Oh, mind your camera.
It's fine.
It's
fine.
Comes back. I'm not scratching there. I don't know what.
You can see it's in. Now, time to bolt the catalytic decap back in. So the camera died because sod's law, but you can see, hopefully, that we are in. Oh, let's plug the microphone in. Should be able to hear me a bit better. Yeah, camera died, so we've plugged in the catalytic converter and all of that. Or the catalytic converter. To be fair, it doesn't actually need one, so it's fine. And now it's time to bolt in the air filter and the induction kit, and then get this all in. You may or may not have seen beforehand, so I've got a little custom induction kit that I've made myself. Basically it's just the pod filter, and then I've built a heat shield around it, because it's going to get warm in there obviously, especially without the heat shield on the exhaust, but the exhaust is all painted, so let's just put this all back together. So induction kit is on. Now is the moment of truth. What the fuck's it gonna sound like? That's normal, hopefully.
Yeah. Just burning off all the oil and shine spray and everything else that's got on it.
Lovely. So, good news, hopefully. No, it sounds pretty good. I say it's a little bit deeper tone running right the way through. It's still got the standard box on the rear. Still pushing through all the crap from it, but that's not an issue. But look at that engine bay, it's coming together. Anyway, so that's going to heat cycle through. And we'll let that go. Thanks everyone for watching. please like if you did like the video. Hopefully it was as much as a how-to as it can be, apart from the camera dying and kind of do it shit. So give us a like if you did. Subscribe down below if you want to watch more stuff and watch Oscar develop into a race car of magical powers which starts shows and stuff. So yeah, that's what it's going to be. Have a lovely day. See you all later. See you in the next one. Bye.